As many other B2B businesses, Seccl has quite a long onboarding journey for new customers, and currently it follows a bit of an unstructured process of emailing back and forth to gain different information and send through attachments. So we wanted to automate this as much as possible, and hopefully without using any code. So to do that, we hooked up a few different applications, and we did that with a tool called Zapier, which interacts with all of them. But basically we collect information from clients using Typeform, which is a survey tool, and we pull that in to a blank Airtable database. And we also create a folder with all their files in Google Drive, so collaboration can be possible later down the line. So let me just show you how this works. This is just a sample survey of information we would need to know when we're onboarding new customers. And for example, this is how the document uploading might work. We can select which equities we want to trade, so we save that and we can just re-upload it. And now that I've submitted this survey, you can see the information got pulled directly into the database on Airtable. And what will happen now is Zapier will see that there's a new record in the database and execute the script we've set for it. However, this check happens every 15 minutes, so we can actually run it manually. And as you can see, it found the new entry in the database and it's executing all the commands. So it created a Google Drive folder and it uploaded the file we uploaded to the survey, and it updated Airtable as well. So if we go back to the Google Drive folder, you can see there's a subfolder called Jordan's platform, and we can see the file we just uploaded in there. Yeah, and if we go back to the database, this folder link has been updated with the link to Google Drive. So if I just click it, you can see it goes to the same place.